Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to deactivate Snapchat account, and now let's dive right in. Now to deactivate your Snapchat account, first open up your Snapchat app on your phone and make sure to be logged into the account on which you want to deactivate it. And from this interface guys, at the top left corner of your screen you can see your Bitmoji icon or your Snapchat profile. Tap on there, and over here guys you'll be on this interface, and at the top right corner of the screen you can see there is a settings or the gear icon. Tap on it and you'll be on this interface guys, and scroll down to the bottom of the page, and over here guys just above the logout option there is the my data option available for us. Tap on my data, and over here guys you can see the manage account button available for us. You will be required to tap on the manage account button, which is at the top left corner of the screen. Tap on it, and from over here guys you need to know a thing. You will not be just deactivating your account. In order to deactivate your account, we will be required to go through the delete procedure of Snapchat, where your account will be deactivated for 30 days, but you will be able to retrieve it once you log back into your Snapchat account. So to do that, tap on the delete my account button over here, and over here guys it says your account will be deactivated on the second paragraph, which means friends won't be able to contact you on Snapchat. You'll also lose any chats you've saved, and after that it says after 30 days your account will be deleted, but until then your account will be just deactivated. So in order to proceed, scroll down, enter your password of the account over here, and after that tap on continue over here guys, and on the next step your account will be deactivated for 30 days. But guys, do make sure to retrieve before 30 days or it will be deleted from the server of Snapchat permanently. And with that being said guys, this is how you deactivate your Snapchat account. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.